Hi everyone, Dan here. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you're all well. So today I'm heading into North Wales. I've just literally gone onto the motorway by mine now, so heading there now. Today is a heat wave, so it's absolutely roasting. But the plan is head into Wales, go and find a nice place to set up camp, and preferably under some trees because it is roasting. I mean, it's only 11:30 now, and it's 25 degrees, so it is properly hot. So as I say, go and set up camp under some trees, preferably next to a stream if we can, and then just have a little mooch around, do a bit of cooking, which I'll show you, over my new fire pit, and just take the day as it comes, really. So if that sounds like something you enjoy, stick around. So we've just come into Wales now. We've just literally gone past the sign, and there's another 45 minutes to an hour to the place that I want to go. So enjoy the ride, and I'll see you at camp. I've arrived at the spot that I want to stay tonight. The sun's still cracking the flags, it's really hot, but as I said earlier on, I wanted to get by a stream and under some shelter under a tree, and I've managed to do that. So I'm going to set up camp now, and then I'll show you a little bit around the camp. So I've been told that at the end of this stream there is like a little build-up of water or something that is quite nice, so I'm gonna go check it out. Streams down there. Maybe I should have put my walking boots on for this. Looks like we found something. Watch out for them fawns. Wow, it's pretty deep. It looks like it was at one point some sort of used for something industrial, maybe, I don't know. Quite large bricks, stones and stuff. Obviously this tube here, let's go have a little look inside it. Clean water there. Right, I think I'm going to head back to camp and get some dinner on the go. Absolutely roasting, so I'm going to go and set up my little area by the stream for tonight, and going to set up the fire pit ready for lighting, for cooking and just relaxing later. So I finished a little polish on the axe and I'm ready to go and cut some kindling to start the fire shortly. Once I've prepared my dinner ingredients. So what I want to be doing is following the lines on the wood and going for little small cuts, little bits of kindling. Maybe a little bit bigger, but you get loads of them. I'm going to use a little bit of silver birch bark to start the fire. So these little ones can be knocked into two. You can get them stood up. Should be able to easily put them into two. He says straight through the middle into some kindling. I'll report back once I've finished all this and then we'll build the fire. Some sharpenings. Put them on a bed of silver birch bark. And I'm going to pop that into the bottom of my new fire pit, which is looking pretty shiny. I'm sure you'd agree. And now I'm going to try and get it lit using the ferrocerium
magnesium rod. I'm sure you've seen one of these before. Really handy piece of kit to have. There we go, eventually. Just put them sticks free one way, free the other, leaving plenty of room for oxygen. As you can see, they're getting lit up now, and in a minute should have a nice fire. So I'm going to do some steaks, some breaded rolls, with some salads, with some onions. There we got the Aberdeen Angus Chipotle sizzle steaks. Thought to give them a go, something a bit different. Oh, smell amazing. I'm ready to cook the steak and the onions and everything like that, so I'm pretty hungry. This is good. Everything's prepared there, so I'm just going to get it cooked on and then I'll show you the end results. Enjoy. Steaks are coming on most then. Just put the onions in. finished result. Beautiful. And they're finished, and there's just one thing missing. A nice cold beer. Fire's stoked. The stream's in front of me. Absolutely perfect. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video. I do hope you have enjoyed it as much as I have. It's been a really lovely day, and I'm really happy that I come to this spot, because it's been absolutely amazing. To be able to cook by the stream, have a fire by the stream, and just relax there and gather your thoughts is pretty nice. So if you've enjoyed this video, I would appreciate it if you leave a comment to let me know, or if you've got any constructive feedback, then it's more than welcome. Apart from that, I'll be releasing some more videos soon, so if that is something you'd be interested in, then make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Take care.